AI, artificial intelligence, is a technical field that enables machines to have the ability to think and make decisions like humans. It utilizes various techniques to empower machines to think, learn, and perform tasks independently. AI incorporates techniques from fields such as computer science, mathematics, computing, machine learning, and neural networks. Its objective is to lead us towards a competitive and convenient global society where machines collaborate with humans. Types of AI: weak AI, also known as narrow AI or applied AI. Weak AI possesses the ability to perform tasks in specific domains. Examples include AI that plays chess or translates languages. Weak AI is designed to work in limited areas and does not have the capacity to think like a human. Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence (AGI), strong AI possesses the ability to think, understand, and exhibit autonomy similar to human beings. Its goal is to achieve human-like thinking. The development of strong AI is still a work in progress and has not been fully achieved yet. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that enables machines to learn from data through models and algorithms. It can learn patterns and features from data directly and independently. Machine learning is widely used nowadays, such as suggesting videos based on your profile, analyzing internal data, and enabling self-driving vehicles. Neural networks. Neural networks utilize a structure inspired by the human brain in AI. These networks have the ability to gather and communicate elements, and they can be trained and used for learning and decision-making. They are used, for example, in converting sounds to text, making distance estimations for vehicles, and analyzing thoughts of commercial users. Expert systems. Expert systems utilize expertise and guidance in AI, possessing deep knowledge in specific domains. These systems assist in problem-solving based on defined rules and logic, such as medical diagnosis. These are the major types of AI that play a significant role in our competitive and business world. Various AI systems and technological activities contribute to making our lives convenient, solving problems, and exploring new possibilities. AI usage. Business. AI provides various benefits in the business field. It can assist in data analysis, customer service, marketing, and decision-making. The use of AI enables business owners to make more reliable and informed decisions, gather more information about customers, and fulfill the estimated demand for products and services more effectively. Healthcare. AI plays a crucial role in the healthcare sector. It helps in managing, analyzing, and improving medical records. AI algorithms enable possibilities for efficient supply and resource management, pre-diagnosis of diseases, disease identification, and the development of treatment protocols. Commerce. AI provides unique advantages in e-commerce. It can offer personalized product recommendations and customized customer support through intelligent information systems. AI is also used for content generation, website optimization, retail analytics, customer service, and localization. Autonomous vehicles. AI is essential for developing and operating autonomous vehicles. It assists in keeping autonomous vehicles running, collecting data, managing operations, and enhancing safety. Through the use of AI, features such as automated navigation, dynamic traffic management, and security-related functions can be developed for autonomous vehicle drivers. Education. AI can bring about transformation in the education sector as well. It can provide personalized learning paths, facilitate independent study, and create interactive educational experiences. The use of AI helps educators in preparing more knowledge-enhancing content, conducting adaptive assessments, and developing innovative teaching methods. These are some major applications of AI that play significant roles in our social and business world. Different types of AI systems and technological activities contribute to making our lives more convenient, solving problems, and exploring new possibilities. AI, artificial intelligence, can provide several benefits through its use. Increased efficiency and productivity. By using AI, businesses and organizations can experience significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. AI can autonomously complete tasks and help people focus on multiple activities. It reduces human errors and accomplishes tasks quickly, leading to improvements in the organization's workflow. Industrial applications, AI offers various advantages in industries. It assists in automated processes, production, operations, and standardization. This increases productivity, ensures quality control, and reduces the need for human labor in operations. The use of AI helps industries in achieving stability, enhancing security, and reducing costs. Advanced analysis and prediction, AI with expertise can analyze data and make informed decisions. It aids in better business decision-making through analysis and prediction. AI algorithms help identify new strategies and opportunities through data patterns, preparing for upcoming challenges. Conflict resolution, AI can provide machines with the ability to understand and resolve conflicts. It enhances competitiveness in production, distribution, and service sectors. By using AI, new perspectives and solutions can be provided for conflicts, leading to stability and prosperity for organizations. Social services, AI can also contribute significantly to the social sector. It provides solutions in public health, education, tourism, organizations, and more. By using AI, social service organizations and government bodies can provide better services to the public. It helps in managing healthcare services with excellence, streamlining organizational operations, and personalizing content. The benefits of AI are not limited to a few areas. AI has also made advancements in various other fields. It enhances independence, security, reduces time and labor in tasks, promotes inclusivity, discovers new opportunities, and encourages innovation in human domains. Challenges of AI. Impartiality. Impartiality is a major challenge in the development of AI systems. Due to biases in the development of AI technology and a lack of diversity among developers, some AI systems can make biased and inappropriate decisions. Impartiality needs to be emphasized to assess the impact of AI on social and ethical issues. Privacy. The massive collection of data through the use of AI systems poses a challenge to privacy. Concerns about the security of personal and shared information increase. Ensuring high-level privacy protection is crucial to prevent unauthorized use or breaches of data. Fairness. Fairness is also a significant concern in AI systems. Decision-making based on irrelevant or inappropriate factors in collected data can create fairness issues. It is necessary to understand the limitations and align the standards of fairness to address this challenge. Accountability. AI systems pose another challenge in terms of responsibility and control. There is a possibility of causing harm through incorrect decisions or actions, and it is the responsibility of AI to address this. Adhering to security and control standards is essential to keep AI systems safe and accountable. Knowledge gap. Another important challenge is that AI systems do not possess complete knowledge or certainty to make perfect decisions. Due to data scarcity, incompleteness, or errors, AI systems can make disorganized or incorrect decisions. This represents a challenge in terms of knowledge and requires the development of new techniques to overcome it. Keeping these challenges in mind, the development of AI should continue, while maintaining a focus on security, fairness, and accountability. With the advancement of technology and ethical standards, it is possible to address these challenges and develop AI in a prosperous and secure manner. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please share it with others and subscribe to our channel.